What is up, fellas? We are on the hunt for some big cats today. I was out here last night. You might recognize the spot, you might not. The water is a little bit higher. I have to stand in the water to fish pretty much. But yeah, had a huge piece of perch on last night. It was like a big head of a perch. And I threw it out in my catfish rod, stuck it in the sand, 5 minutes. I looked back and my pole was gone. I was like, so surprised. I mean, not really, I didn't set my drag rate, but whatever it was a big fish. And that's where we're hunting today, and this high water might have brought him out. So let's just get into fishing. You getting a bite here? Oh yeah, we're getting a bite. Come on, buddy. There we are. First fish. Nothing big. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna guess a bluegill. And if so, we're using this puppy for bait. Come on, Buster. He's fighting. He's fighting all right. It might be a perch. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's a perch. Yep. Oh, yellow perch. Oh, never mind. It's a bullhead. Look at that. It's a neat catch. Nice little bullhead catfish. This looks like maybe a yellow. I gotta look this up. Hold on. I don't know. I think it's a brown bullhead. It's got a little bit of yellow on it, but I think it's characterized by the barbels that are under these little things. I was thankful this guy didn't end up swallowing the hook, because they usually do. There you go, nice and easy release there. There he goes. Cool catch. It's good to know things are biting. So I threw it in that slack water over there, and sure enough, had one pretty quick. We'll throw a bigger worm on too. Not long out there and we already got another bite. Something small. At least I think. Set the drag real loose, so we're gonna let him take it for a little bit. Came off. Let's see if he took the bait. Oh yeah, that'll do it. Bait is gone. Look at all these guys. All checking out the crock. Look, there's a bunch of them. Took a while, but we got another one. Running right towards me. Oh, look at that.
What'd you catch?
Little channel catfish.
A what?
Channel catfish.
Oh.
Look at that guy. There, bye-bye, little fishy. Got one. Here we are. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. Are you kidding me? Did it come off? No. Alright, we still got him. I can never tell. What do we got? Ah, it's a freaking eel. Although this is good because we need this for bait. It's been a while since I caught a fish. There we are. Let's go cut this guy up. We're gonna throw out this eel head on my brand new pole. It's gonna be my catfishing and carp pole. And you know, maybe it was a blessing in disguise that I lost my pole to a catfish or a snapping turtle. It could have been either one. Got myself a new pole, which was well needed. My stuff wasn't in the best of shape. Still worked though. But sometimes you just gotta treat yourself, you know. currently 10:20. I'm gonna give myself 10 more minutes. If we don't get anything, it's gonna be the end of day one. Final check of the day. We got a bunch of leaves and our bait's gone. Unfortunate. I got your fish grippers. It's a cat? Oh, shit. Oh, that's a big one.
That guy.
Get a picture.
Actually on video.
Here we go, buddy. So catfish here. It's probably about 3 pounds. That was a carp. You heard that?
Mm-hmm.
That one.